Researchers within IIT Bombay's PQuest group have built India's first indigenous quantum diamond microscope under the Department of Science and Technology's National Quantum Mission. It's Runtime, your daily 24-hour Indian tech recap, and a quantum diamond microscope enables researchers to see invisible magnetic fields at the microscopic level. So as an example, you can see the microscopic image on the left of soil samples here, just normal dirt really up close, but then on the right we can actually see the red and blue patterns captured by a quantum diamond microscope showing the magnetic footprint of each grain within the soil. And white areas in the image are magnetically neutral. And one important use case for quantum diamond microscopes for India's future specifically is non-destructive testing of semiconductor chips. Basically, a microscope like this would reveal magnetic fields inside encapsulated circuits that conventional methods just wouldn't be able to detect. All right, next up, this biotech startup, which was founded by two 22-year-old Indian founders, just raised $2.6 million. The company is called Anomaly Bio. You might have heard of them in 2024 when they received a grant from Nikhil Kamat's WTF fund. And the founders, Arman Danda and Samyak Bed, are from Gurugram and Chennai, respectively, although Anomaly itself is based in Singapore. And in a nutshell, what Anomaly does is they turn microbes into tiny factories that convert simple sugars into ingredients for all kinds of stuff in categories like nutrition and crop protection and personal care. And with this fresh capital, they're going to be establishing their own lab and pilot scale facility too. All right, next up, Odisha-based deep tech startup Koratia Technologies has raised 5 crore rupees, that's about $563,000, and this company is incubated at NIT Rourkela, and they're building autonomous underwater systems for defense and industrial use. So far, they've worked with the Indian Railways and IOCL Paradeep, and they were also recently invited to Brunei to demonstrate their robots for subsea inspection and maintenance across offshore energy installations. And they also just secured a 66 crore rupee contract from the Indian Navy for their indigenously developed underwater remotely operated vehicle, Jalasimha. All right, next up, Bengaluru-based medtech startup HRS Navigation has raised $5 million in their pre-series A round. This company builds image-guided navigation platforms for surgeries. And HRS's flagship system is called EasyNav, and it integrates with standard operating room equipment so that the barrier to entry for hospitals is low. And EasyNav improves surgical precision while also staying reasonably affordable. So far, their systems have been used in more than 20,000 procedures across India, and these guys are really one of the few Indian startups developing advanced medical navigation technology in-house. All right, that is all of the Indian tech news that I have for you all today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.